shut off the pilot light and it lit. And then when I put it back in and close everything up, it wouldn't like the burner.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
It's probably the valve then, maybe. Was the red light blinking at all?
At first it was blinking like twice.
The
red, and then when I started like working on it, then it continued messing with the red, but then like the lights didn't come on.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna reassemble it and fire it up and see what it does, and then just use it's probably the valve. Sounds like the valve. Sometimes you'll get those. You'll get a 2 flash when it should flash 7 times. It only flashes twice. And the only way and that tells you it's the thermopile voltage, right? That's what the 2 flash means.
Right.
But the first thing you want to do is measure that voltage.
Right.
Not trust what it's telling you.
Right.
And then if the voltage is high, you know it's the valve. But because I used to get that when I first started doing repairs, I get that 2 flash. And I change the thermopile, still get a 2 flash. Change another thermopile, still get a 2 flash. And then and then after a while, I'm like, I just changed the valve, and then I realized it's the valve. So it's probably something like that, but I got to put it back together to figure out what that is.
You want something to drink?
Oh, I'm good, thank you though. Yeah, I appreciate it. Oh yeah, I was drinking water on the way over. So you got all the screws for? Okay.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah,
the top one is for the top, the bottom is for the bottom.
Okay. Yeah, I saw all the construction going on.
Yeah, out front. Yeah, I did that. I did those walls.
Okay.
Out of mud, out of soil.
Oh, nice.
And I mean, it still has like cement, but the majority of it is soil.
Yeah, I watched a lot of videos on that. You know, those earth houses.
Yeah. No, those guys, no, they do it like.
Yeah.
They have like the machines to like really. Yeah, I did those. That was interesting.
Yeah, that's cool. Saves you on building materials, right?
Yeah. No, and I had them all. I had the material already left over because I was gonna do the little strip by the driveway.
Oh, okay. Oh, the gas is off, right?
Yeah.
Turn the gas back on.
Tough to see in there, right?
Yeah, it's way in the back, and there's a little mirror that. Yeah, those are the worst ones.
I got this cushion.
Oh. Yeah, I'll take you up on that.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
We use that for like
yeah.
Poster the sofa.
You'll be sleeping here tonight.
No. We upholstered the sofa, and that was the leftover.
Oh, okay. good. Alright, so you got 639,
Okay.
643, it's climbing. That's your millivolts. That's what powers the circuit board.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's good.
Okay.
So it looks like, the light didn't come on at all. But sometimes it breaks. Sometimes the LED just goes out.
Oh, okay. It was a little bit like when it was fade. It would fade. It just kind of like a little bit.
Yeah, sometimes they just go out. Usually it's hard to say. So, and you think it's that, you gotta.
I heard something, right? Like when you first turned it on.
Now I was waiting to see if the pilot light was going to stay on, but it's so far back in there and it's so hard to see.
Yeah.
So it looks like it's out. So I'm going to change the circuit board. I'm going to get a circuit board anyway, because I got to see if your thermopile is able to power a circuit board. I'm not sure if it's powering this one, but I won't know until I can confirm it does or. There we go.
Circuit board.
It's looking like it. Came up normal operation. I'll leave this one here. This is yours.
How much is that circuit board?
How much is it?
Yeah.
It's just included with the service call cost.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Yeah, I don't charge separate.
Oh, okay.
It's included. Yeah. Circuit board comes with it. So yeah, if it happens again, we know. I think your thermopile is good. I was a little worried about that. Sometimes when people work on them, they rip them in and out of there.
Yeah, no, I was easy.
Oh, good. Yeah, you pull on those wires, you're in trouble. I always use needle nose pliers.
Yeah, that was a little bit.
Yank it out in one move.
Yeah, I might have.
Oh, well, I think you're lucky. And then, yeah, sometimes those circuit boards they get weird on you. But it responded, came up quick.
And the burner's on now? Oh, the burner?
It's on, yeah.
It's on? Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can come check it if you want.
No. I believe you, man.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I think I had one person check it one time,
I'm not going to check yours, man.
No, you can look. You can hear it.
Yeah.
You probably can't hear it from where you're at.
No, I was over here, looking at something.
Oh, yeah, so.
Trying to do, a wall.
Because they tried to fix it.
Okay. Who tried to fix it?
The owner, the owner of the house.
Okay.
But the problem right now is the water doesn't want to come in out. The hot water.
Okay.
We only had cold water
At the sink?
everywhere, on the bathrooms and the sinks, and
Okay.
we don't have hot water. Just cold water.
Okay. So you said you had cold water in the showers, but you had hot water in the sinks, or was that?
So that was before they came to.
Oh. Oh, okay. So it's hot now, right?
I mean, it's like
Kind of lukewarm.
it's right now. I mean, like it's only here, but not. It's not. It doesn't go in through the bottom to the shower.
Can we see a shower?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry about this.
Oh, don't worry about it.
So here we don't have we got warm water over there, but not here. Not in the other one. Not in the shower.
Okay. Yeah, it's cold here. You have pressure.
And I think when we got here, the pressure was the same in here, like on the sink was the same. This one. Right now I think it's a little bit slow.
In here it's slow?
The sand on the kitchen.
Okay. Did they change the water heater recently? Or?
I don't know. Like we already got 2 years in here, and I think it's the same one. They just changed the hoses.
Okay. Can I see the other bathroom?
Yep.
Thanks. Alright, so it's it's a little bit warmer, but it's not really warm at all. It's kind of the same temperature both sides. What's up, kitty cat? Won't you be drinking from the toilet? That's good, buddy. This isn't really a water heater problem. This is a plumbing problem. He goes, go check the water heater. It's doing funny stuff. I got new problems. Leave me alone.
Alright, so if you need anything, just let me know. I will be here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're good. Thanks.
Thank you.
Sorry. It sounds like it's running. Yeah, it's running. I don't know why people don't properly identify what's going on. I just had to drive 12 miles to come out here. I think it's got there's some plumbing problems. I said that the floor was warm. Look at this mess. hot. Right here. It's going down into the slab. I think what he needs to do is bypass. Go up into the attic. Oh, this has like flux all over it. Should have just used shark bite. They said the floor was warm, but they fixed it. I don't know how you would fix it without jackhammering in there and bypassing. Oh wait, this is cold coming in. Okay, so they did some kind of bypass. See the old cold line? Coming out of the slab down there. Got rid of that gate valve. That was a smart move. Yeah, there's some old lines back there. So I don't know, maybe they're back feeding or something. Maybe the cold is back feeding into their hot lines someplace and preventing the water from getting warm. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit hotter, but there's nothing I can do. You guys have any ideas of what's going on here? Let me know. I don't know why they would continue to run it through the slab, but I think this is cold coming in, hot coming out. But the pipes, so this supply line's hot, and then that pipe's kind of hot. It just kind of, it stops getting hot. It stops like right about here. About here in the line. I don't see any pinched lines anywhere. Water heater's running like crazy. Alright, well this was a gigantic waste of time.